from the Millinocket City Forecast Office. Here is the forecast for Millinocket City and surrounding areas today. Thunderstorms in this morning may produce damaging winds and large hail. Highs in the mid-70s, east winds up to 20 miles per hour with gusts of 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch number 261 effective until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following areas: Millinocket City, Nemore, Glaucus, Acullis Village, Agaspert Heights, and Wellstone Plains. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Widespread destructive long-track tornadoes. Destructive tennis ball-sized hail damaging wind gusts up to 90 miles per hour. And dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning can be expected. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for a development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, people should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to an OAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.